PUG certified wet brown bowl. I like how that Chevy, in the center cap of that junk. Right here, that Chevy S. I'm about to have my man exactly what year it is. Yo, clean or what? I just always known them at the Chevy SS. I think they call it the Commodores or Commodores. I think it's Commodore. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, but I just put that PUG certified wet on that joke, and it is clean. Check them out in the console, man. That boy ain't letting no water get down in there, if you got something sitting there. That joke here clean. Got that 305 on the back. 305, 30, 20. I think those come on they come on the ZLR and they come on the Corvette too. That's over here clean, boy. Yes, that boy right here, right. See how wet that joke is. We know when that PUG certified hit that joke, it is finna be wet. Front end hitting on that joke.